Hello, boys and girls. In lesson 4.3, we will be able to determine whether or not a table represents a proportional relationship by applying unit rates. Let's begin by looking at a launch question. What conclusions can you draw from the table below? This table represents cars washed. The number of cars are represented in your X coordinate, and the money or the amount or the cost is represented by your Y coordinate. If we look at the amount of money that is charged for the number of cars washed, we will notice that for each and every row, if we find the unit price, we would get $8 each and every time. Therefore, we can conclude that each car wash costs $8. The unit rate for this table is therefore represented by $8 a car wash. Let's take a look at the unit rate to determine the rate of change. When we look at the unit rate, we are also determining the rate of change. So the change in money in this particular case is $40, and the change in cars is $5. So the money that is earned increases by $40 for every 5 cars. Therefore, the unit rate is written as $8 for 1 car, or Y over X. Your constant of proportionality, represented by the letter K, would be equal to your Y coordinate divided by your X coordinate. Let's look at an example. Let us determine if the tables below represent a proportional relationship. If it does represent a proportional relationship, we will find the unit rate. Let's take a look at table number 1. Again, we will divide Y by X. When I divide Y by X in the first row, 50 divided by 2 equals 25. 35 divided by 4 gives us 8.75. Already, we can infer that this table does not represent a proportional relationship. But let us continue to further prove it. When I divide 20 by 6, I get 3.3 with a bar over 3. When I divide 5 by 8, I get 0.625. So again, this is not a proportional relationship. Let's try the next table. Again, we will divide y by x, or we will put y over x, okay? So when I divide 5 by 1, I get 5. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. And 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Because our quotients are all the same, we can say yes, this is a proportional relationship. What is the unit rate? Well, the unit rate is y over x, or 5 over 1. And because it's already